The piglets got out one night through the wire.
Oh.
And
Bailey and Charlotte Striker
Foreman
again.
came up to me and handed me a shot.
Yeah,
Shoot anything that's not a piglet. So I never even. I didn't never.
Nice ball, Bailey. Pull back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Shoot anything that's not a piglet.
Or it's got to be a second quicker.
Hey, back 6. Get a good run. Get a good run.
Oh, in there. Take a hit, Brooklyn. Take a hit. Oh, no. You're on. No, she was wrong.
It's okay. Turn. Turn.
Watch the short one.
Avery was on. Natalie was on. Yeah, they called it on Avery.
Center back is
Watch the short, eh? Yeah, the 2 girls in the middle. It was just overwhelming white.
Step, Abe.
Hold in it.
Look central. Look central. Nice job, Bailey. Yes, Bailey.
You ready, eh?
Play it back.
Get wide.
You got time, Brooklyn.
Help her out, dude. Help her out.
Is that the,
I'm seeing.
Quickly. Come on, Bale. Bailey's over here.
Look wide, Charlotte. Good idea. Play through. Oh.
Come on, Nat. Hold your run.
Talk to her, Allie.
Oh, great ball. Oh.
Did Allie fix her count, eh?
Yes,
Have
I
one,
did.
eh? Help her out, eh?
Not a fit.
Help her out.
With Saline?
It was, no, Jill had some eye drops,
Oh, that works.
which is better than nothing, but it was like folded in half in the center of her eye. So I knew it was something was wrong with it. Of course I didn't operate.
I feel like with mine, the more I rub it, the worse.
Good
Well,
job.
not much. It really got, because it got hit by somebody's elbow.
Yeah.
So
Oh, wow.
I like whacked it over, and then she kept rubbing it, and it folded in half.
It's like up in my brain.
Yeah, well, that freaks me out. I wear contacts too, but looking at other people.
Be ready, eh?
Contacts really gross me out. I get bothered. I'm like,
Oh, did you have to go in there and find it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, eyes just gross me out.
Bales, get on.
It's okay, eh? Right? The ball was played backwards. Come on, girls. You can't do that. Come on, A, talk. Goal side.
There was over here. It's a makeup call.
Hey, wide. Hey, create space.
Offsides over here was no.
Come on, Allie. You ready, A? Go, A. Go. Go, A. Go, A.
You're in.
Go to goal. Go to goal.
Stay wide, Charlotte.
Go in. Go in. Nice
Dude,
try.
come on. Left foot.
Nice, Brooklyn.
Red ball.
Hey, get ready. Stay on sides. Talk.
Red ball. Set up. Be ready, Brooklyn. Sid, be bouncy.
Be bouncy.
Bouncy. Get ready.
I like it.
Step, step. Brooklyn, watch your arms. That's one of my biggest concerns. Defending too much about the far. Most of my defense is just like they're defending, they're just driving, and they just kick it out.
Yeah.
I hate it. Dude, it drives me nuts.
We did that a lot in the fall.
It's like such a lazy thing.
It's also like a panic thing.
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to do it. Let me just get rid of it.
Step. Watch her wide. Far post, Natalie.
Goal side.
That's my kind of rep. Refs hate that so much. I know
What's that?
You put them up there and you don't want them to go in there.
Hold on, Brooklyn. He's not even going to stop it. That's fine.
Good job, Brooklyn.
Quickly, eh? Oh. Goal side, eh? 30, whatever.
Yeah, it's hard to tell.
They let it go out. Punted like 50 yards from the ball.
Yeah, that was our sideline.
Oh, is that right? You have to move up.
No, you're on, Kai. Kai, look in the middle. Gia, get him.
Run, White.
Goal side, eh?
Yeah, that's a legit boot.
Yeah.
Come on, eh? Come on, eh? Get in there.
Get across. Get across.
Track back. Hey.
Gia, come on.
Hey.
Get aggressive in there.
There you go.
Jim, goal side.
Talk to her, Natalie.
Come on, eh?
Gia, up.
Come on, Avery. Run. corner kick.
No, it's not 6.
That was
how
close.
that
That was
was a
close.
corner.
That was close.
I think it skipped over a foot.
Yes. How about that?
Get there, G. Diagonals. Gia, diagonals, not straight.
No bounce. Help her out, eh?
It's bad enough.
Let's go, hey! Let's go, Delco! Come on, girls!
Go, wait.
Hit so hard I went through the net.
Is that 2-1?
3. Good. Got a little bit of action. We got 14 minutes.
Offside. Come on. Somebody say something.
When Ryan puts down, he knows he's got the game. Yeah.
Gia, you gotta come to the ball.
Jim, get aggressive. Bales drop, full side, Bailey drop. Bales, full side.
Shake it out now. Nice work, Allie.
I should buy stock in Amazon.
Avery doesn't like my bench. What's the matter?
Just get those shitty shoes on until he's running like a freaking duck.
Kevin had cleats delivered yesterday. They got stained.
What?
Porch pirate?
You know, they got, FedEx just leaves them on the stoop.
Yeah, porch pirate.
Yeah.
Well, when I did the, there was this thing that I had at this
Half the stuff you forget your orders.
No, it's good still. That's
Do you have a floor golf can? You know, anything?
I thought it wouldn't.
Yeah.
Get across. Don't stop. Come on, G, keep it up.
Allie, good job.
Yeah.
Shake it off. Yeah. Aggressive.
as we were finishing up, they were starting. Huge men. I was like,
Clear it.
Bailey, you gotta stick with that.
You got it, Bales. All right.
Cross it! Cross it! Wasn't her best. What?
What?
I have no idea what you guys are talking about right now. What's everybody doing in between these first two games here?
You're rating my daughter. I'm just kidding. Seriously.
They don't play well.
You can't use pellet gun?
You can. I'm just saying paintball is more effective. Let it go.
So here's what I've noticed. We take a goal kick from the same side every time. Last 3 games. Yep. Not that it's not effective.
Well, Gemma's the only one.
Probably feels more comfortable over there.
He did. He had a conversation with her. He said, "Let me pick up."
Diagonal, Gia.
He likes to kick it across the field, but every once in a while, he miskicks it. So he said, yeah. So he said, I need to put it out on.
Nice, go, Kai, go.
Look at 30, Bailey, get in the middle.
God, you sound very much like Jim's commentary.
Bailey, goal side.
That's why we do.
Bale's goal side.
Gemma, come on.
Let's go, A.
Bales, get wide.
She's got a really great
Bailey,
pace.
goal side.
No girl this age is going to put her stomach in that.
Force her inside.
Quick.
Quickly,
Quickly.
look at Avery.
Go!
You're on, Gia. Take a hit.
Battle, Bale, battle.
Nice try, G.
Good work,
Good
Blake.
job,
Good work.
Avery.
Get back!
Unlucky.
Get back! Tell me like 3 of 1 offside.
Oh, that was very close.
Battle back, Bailey, battle back.
You guys told me not to take breaks.
Going over your head, eh? Jesus.
It's a rocket.
Back to her, Sid.
G, make it run, G.
Stay on side!
Taking touch inside.
She was offside.
No, but they're all trying to cross the ball.
Yeah, too deep. Really.
No. You got to angle the ball on your last touch and then cross it. It's super hard to hit a 90-degree ball. You know what I mean?
Yeah, when your momentum's taking
Yeah.
you forward.
You got to take that touch inside and then cross it.
Yeah, she's keep moving, but just
Slower.
yeah. But then if she would have released in center, then she would have been.
Yeah.
I hope Allie's okay.
Yeah,
She looked fine earlier, but
side or something.
Yeah.
I think she's fine.
Yeah, she looks right.
she's been going in hard. Jim is setting up for a field goal, yeah.
Three steps back.
Get in, G.
Come on, Matt. Get the ball.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Take three and then two, but three big and then three. Now she's taking.
Come on, A!
Those are working.
Better, but there's no intuitive. I don't know when that happens. Like, even like playing the ball fast on the third, like, oh, they're not ready. You can get an advantage.
Right.
Throw it in.
Right.
I don't know when.
Yeah, they wait for everybody to get set up. It's drives me nuts.
Charlotte.
And then Ryan.
Go, G,
Go, G, a wheel.
That's indirect.
Hey, indirect!
Indirect. Hurry up. Put it down. Someone got to hit it.
Indirect, A! Quickly!
It's indirect.
All right, now everybody's getting set up.
Well, the ref had the ball.
Bailey! Space! Bailey!
G needs to get out of there.
Gia, move.
He needs to be shut out. Avery, indirect. Charlotte, tell her. You can't. It's indirect. It's A. It's indirect.
It's indirect. I hope he's telling me.
You can hear over us, parents yelling.
Barely.
Well, they're all standing back there.
I speak hand hands.
So who's hitting this ball? Because they all look like they're about to kick the ball.
If somebody runs up and taps that, that would be awesome.
If someone puts it,
Bailey, you got to clean up. Bailey, you escaped.
Come on. You're getting 3 last.
Yeah, it's the ball game by the time they get the ball.
That's where Jim and
Yeah, that defense has changed.
I was telling Avery, anything behind midfield is jump. Do not. It's a free-for-all up there. Jimmy's going to have to go.
That was almost
you knew that was going to happen.
80%. No matter who plays. It's so close and you want to hit it.
Yeah, it almost has to be like a little chip. Or, you know?
Nice, Bill.
I'm just going to say that. Come back. I'm furious.
So 10 seconds left.
Hey, all the way, hey.
Come on, White.
Send it, A.
Bailey, just hold it. Hold it. Send it. Go, Gia. Go, Gia, get in.